Hello everyone, so today I have a child Princess Zelda makeup tutorial for you from The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time, but if I'm being honest, I think you could use this makeup look for any young child character. So with that said, let's get into the tutorial. I'll start off by priming my face with the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. I'm gonna take some of it on my fingers, spread it around my face. Okay. Why did that happen? I have no idea. It's actually a little loose now that I'm noticing. Then with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation from L'Oreal Paris. I almost dropped it. I put it directly on my sponge off camera. And now it's going on my face. Just gonna lift this so I don't get it all over my headdress, the fabric, because that would be a disaster. As I'm recording, Katsucon is this weekend, and I do not want to have to wash. Don't want to put this on in the laundry, and I made it, so I don't trust myself. I don't trust the laundry with something sewn by machine like this. For now, I'm gonna, while I wait for my foundation to dry, I'm gonna take the NYX Jumbo White Eyeliner. I know, it's almost gone, but it doesn't matter. And I'm gonna put some all over my eyelids for the eye makeup later. Well, actually, I'm doing the eye makeup now. For the eye makeup, so it pops, so the eyeshadow pops. I'm gonna blend that out with my fingers. I'm gonna take a light purple eyeshadow from my Lilac You A Lot eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take this color right here and put that over my eyelids. Then I'm going to use a light brown to define the crease. This will act as an artificial shadow for your eyelashes. I'm not mentioning what kind of light brown I'm using from which eyeshadow palette, because you can really just use whatever you have at home. You could even use a contour. You could use a bronzer for your eyeshadow. You could even use that. Taking a break from the eyes for now, so I can just do my concealer from L'Oreal Paris. I'm gonna drag it down to my nose. Blend it out with my sponge. I will let you know that I'll take another detour from this because, again, I want it to dry. So for now, I'm going to, well, first I need to take a mirror so I don't mess this up. But I'm going to take a liquid eyeliner from Maybelline New York. And I'm not going to do anything detailed. I'm going to do a standard line with no wing. And you want this. You want the eye makeup to be very simple. Just trust the process. Actually, wait, hold on. I'm missing steps. So before I was supposed to put the eyeliner on, I was supposed to put highlighter in my inner corners and drag it up the eye. Take a little more if you need to. Going back to the face makeup, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder, and I'm gonna powder all of my face now. Especially where I just put my concealer, and especially tightly under the under eyes, because this is important for later. This is important for the next step. Also, I may be a 26-year-old cosplaying a 10-year-old, and I may not look as young as I want to because I am 26. But if you're like 19, this makeup look will work for you. Okay, taking a clean brush and just getting rid of the excess. I'm gonna show you a really useful trick on how to look younger. At least, maybe not for me, again, but maybe for you it'll work. So, I'm taking my Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner, Crayon Gel, it doesn't matter. It's an eye pencil. You can use a lip liner like this also, in this color. And I'm lining out my under eye bags. It also helps if you squint like this. Next, I'm gonna take this metallic pink eyeliner. This is from NYX. You could also buy it off Amazon for $5 or $7 if you are very specific about your item search. Just type in metallic pink eyeliner and you'll find this for like maybe $5. So anyway, I'm filling in my under eye bags with it. And this is a Japanese trick that helps you give a childish look. Look at that, I'm almost out of it, and I'm going to Katsucon this weekend, and if I order more of these eyeliners, they're not gonna come in time. I'll be away by then, by the time they come to my house. And look at that, I have extra NYX Jumbo White Eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to line my waterline with it. I'm gonna try not to smudge off the under eye makeup. Okay, maybe I shouldn't talk while I'm doing this. I just poked myself in the eye. Which is the reason I didn't always put stuff in my waterline. It used to make me so nervous. And look at me now. I just applied some eyelash glue onto my fake eyelashes. So while I wait for them to get tacky, I'm gonna curl my real eyelashes, coat them in mascara, if this ear falls off while I'm making TikToks, I'm gonna be so frustrated. I feel it constantly moving around. If that doesn't sound too weird. Okay, time for the eyelashes, but first, let me change my eye color. Look even more like Zelda now. Okay, time to put on the eyelashes. Really take your time with this. Because if you don't, the inner corners could fall out. Oh my god, that did not happen. Don't worry, I'll fix it. Oh, crap. I've been doing this makeup look more times than I can count, and not once have I ended up smudging my mascara. It also ended up on where I put my under eye makeup, so isn't that nice? Just carefully taking it off with a makeup wipe while trying not to get rid of the eye pencils I just put under my eyes. I'm being really careful. I'm pressing it very gently. Okay, problem solved. Now with this 3D Contour Artist Cream Contour by RK Kiss, I think that's the brand, I'm going to take this color and put it on my lips. If you have a lip liner, great, use a lip liner, but I don't have a lip liner this color. Then with a red lip liner, I'm going to draw around my lips and put them in the inner corners, the bottom and top lip. Then I'm going to blend it out with this flat brush by Unicorn Cosmetics. Hold on, there's a hair on it. You don't want that. Create the illusion that I have childish lips. I'm going to take a highlighter. Any highlighter will work. It doesn't matter what brand. And I'm going to put it in the middle of my lips. Lastly, I'm going to take a lip gloss and put it on top. Now, children have very petite noses, so what you want to do is you want to contour the tip of your nose into a triangle. If it's too heavy, keep blending out with your fingers, because sometimes even I make it too heavy. You don't want to look like a clown. Yeah, that's way too heavy. I apologize. I'm sorry. But I'm just going to keep blending until it's perfect. And to finish off the illusion, I'm going to put highlighter in the center of the tip of my nose. Okay, now on to the final step. I'm going to take blush, and I'm going to start out by putting it under my eye, dragging it down to my cheek, and your nose bridge, but don't put it all over your nose, because then you'll mess up the process of narrowing your nose down. And to really make it look like you're not wearing makeup, you can apply it to your chin, not your chin, your forehead, because children generally don't wear makeup, so that's why I'm putting blush all over my face, basically. And that is how I make myself look like a child, specifically Child Zelda from The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time. If I don't look that young, it's probably because I'm halfway to 30. But like I said many times throughout this video, if you're younger than me, this could work for you. But anyway, if you enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!